अस्सलाम वालेकुम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज के टॉपिक में हम सीखेंगे हाउ, वेयर, व्हेन एंड व्हाट का यूज़ कहाँ पे होता है। इसलिए आपने वीडियो में मेरे साथ बने रहना है। और अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर दें। तो चलें आए अपने टॉपिक की तरफ और अपने टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट वर्ड इज़ which is used in questions to ask about choices. Example, which do you prefer, the red one or the blue one? Which teacher do you like the most? Which of my books would you like to borrow? Which one is it? Which way is it to the library? Which restaurant shall we go to? Next word is when. When is used in questions to ask about time. When is your birthday? When is his birthday? When were you born? When is the field trip? When is their anniversary? When does the party start? When do you do your homework? When is the scores game on TV? When are the banks open? When does the train arrive? When does the class finish? When are you free? When should we meet? When will you finish work? Next word is where. Where is used in questions to ask about place. Examples, where is my pencil case? Where is your book? Where are my glasses? Where is the post office? Where are you from? Where is he from? Where does he live? Where are Chris and Kelly from? Where is the Canada on the map? Where do you eat lunch? Where do you want to eat lunch? Where do you work? Where do you want to go? Where is your school? Where did you go last weekend? Where did you buy that dress? Where were you yesterday? Where was the meeting? Next word is how. How is used in questions to ask about various things including way, manner, condition, quality and extent, degree. Examples, how are you? How old are you? How many pencils are there? How was your vacation? How tall is he? How big is the house? How long is the river? How far is the restaurant? How often do you exercise? How did you do that? How do you cook spaghettis? How can I improve my English? फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करती हूँ आज का ये टॉपिक आपको बहुत पसंद आया होगा। आपने कमेंट बॉक्स में लाजमी बताना है। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में अच्छे से कंटेंट के साथ। थैंक यू। अल्लाह हाफिज़।